In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up online payments in your dashboard. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so your customers can check out smoothly and securely. First, make sure you're signed in with the right permissions to manage billing or payments. If you're working with a team, it helps to let others know you're about to make payment changes so no one is updating settings at the same time. Start by looking to the left-hand sidebar of your dashboard. Find the Payments option and click it. This is the central place where all payment-related tools live. If you see multiple tabs or summaries here, that's normal. This area often includes things like payout summaries, payment settings, and connected providers. We're heading to the place that handles customer checkout. Next, click on Online Payments. This section is specifically for accepting payments from customers on your website or app. It's different from invoicing or offline methods, and it's where you enable the gateways and wallets your customers will use at checkout. Now click Get Started. This opens the setup flow and presents the available options. You'll usually see a list of supported providers or methods, things like major card processors, digital wallets, and sometimes region-specific options. If you're unsure which one to pick, consider where your customers are located, what payment types they prefer, and any fees or settlement times that matter to your business. It's also a good idea to make sure the provider you choose supports your business type and currency. Here, you can choose a payment method. Take a moment to review the details shown on each option. Some methods excel at international payments, others are great for local wallets or buy now pay later features. If you already use a provider elsewhere, selecting that same one can make reconciliation simpler. Keep an eye out for any notes about verification or required documents so you're not surprised later. Once you've made your choice, just click Connect. This button securely links your account to the platform. In many cases, you'll be redirected to the provider's site to confirm access and authorize the connection. Follow the on-screen prompts and, when finished, you'll return to the dashboard with the status showing as connected. If you ever need to change providers later, you can come back to the same area to manage or disconnect and then connect a different option. That's it. Payments on the left side, online payments, get started, choose a method, and click Connect. Save your changes if prompted, and you're ready to accept payments. Thanks for watching and happy